Oh my gosh, this is how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2026, iPhone and Android. So I'm going to show you guys how it works, and then I'm going to show you to download it. So if you ever play Pokemon Go and got depressed at your town, this is a feature mod that lets you go to any city you want, catch any Pokemon you want. I mean, it's crazy. So let me show you in the settings. You can actually change the speed your character walks, as you can see. So this is super cool. So another feature is you can turn on the joystick, which lets you walk around the Pokemon world from your house, which is super cool, guys, because nobody wants to be like, you know, being stuck in their town. You can actually walk with the joystick. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So the one thing is, before we do this, we need to know our trainer code. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that right here. So now I'm going to take you over to the website where you can actually get this. So let me just go ahead and show you the website. So the website is called spooferlab.com. So once you're here, guys, you should be able to download it. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to press the button that says inject spoofer now, and it should download straight onto your device. You can read all about it. They've got a ton of information on here about it. So pretty much anything you need is going to be on here. So I'm going to press the inject spoofer now. So at this point, it's basically going to say like, what's your trainer code? So you obviously need to put that in. So I'm going to go ahead and select my platform. And now I'm going to go ahead and press continue. So at this point, there might be like a high traffic verification thing, but I already did it. So as you can see, it says fetching. All right, so now it says, what do you want to be, full or custom edition? So I'm going to go ahead and press continue. So, this is the part where it's going to download all the files into your phone, guys. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. All right, so you can see it says like synchronizing and stuff. So you just want to make sure your phone is like at least 20%. And you should be all good to go. You won't be facing any low power mode settings or anything like that. All right, so the process is finished. All right, so now it is going to show you that little verification thing, which I already did, so it should go through. So let me just press on it, and as you can see, it's verifying me right now. So it didn't work, guys, but I'm going to go ahead and try again, and let's see if it goes through. So what is going to happen, guys? Will we be verified or not? So it looks like it worked. All right, so that's how to get Spoofer into your device. So be sure to try it out. I've not really had a lot of fun at Pokemon Go, but then once I started using the Spoofer, I was catching Pokemon left and right. I mean, Pokemon that are not in my town, by the way. So this is the favorites feature. It lets you go to any city you want. Pretty funny. Obviously, do not abuse this or they will detect you and you will get banned. But as you can see, I just teleported across the world. So that is so cool. So another feature that's pretty funny is the enhanced throw. So what this does is when you throw the ball right, you actually get the Pokemon on the first try, which is pretty cool. I'm not really sure how that feature is updated every day or whatnot, but for me, it has been working. So yeah, this is super crazy. So let me just show it to you right here. So I'm just going to try to throw the ball, and I should get it on the first try, guys. So super crazy. So I'll see you later, and peace out.